Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Thursday, October 7th at 3:53 p.m. here in sunny California. We're taking a look at these crypto charts. We're going to look at Dash. We're going to look at DENT. We're going to look at VET. Then we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and XRP in their turn to get a feel for where the market is going. And let's just say that it's just getting crazier and crazier and crazier, more and more exciting as this next impulsive wave is getting ready to take off. Taking a look at Dash, we can see that we've got these broader historic trends, and within them we've got a candle pattern that's a triangle. We could see that triangle candle pattern also happening in the RSI here. And so once we get a break above this triangle here in the RSI, plus a break above this triangle here in the price action, that will indicate that the next wave is beginning. Keep in mind that for all of these projections that I give you, there is a bearish scenario as well, and the bearish scenario is if we break down beneath this trend line and the RSI breaks down beneath this trend line, then we're not heading into another impulsive wave, but we're heading into a continued consolidation and correction. And so, yeah, with that being said, I'm projecting for Dash between now and the end of the year between $1,026 and $2,700, and there's an intermediate target of $1,505 in between there. That's what I'm projecting for Dash between now and the end of the year. And if we hit that target for Dash from where it is right now, we're talking about 4x is the bottom target, almost 7x is the middle target, and the top target is about 13x for Dash. Looking at DENT, the story is a lot different for DENT. Number one, I'm looking at a candle pattern, which is this triangle here. I probably could change this line to a dash line just so we kind of understand the distinction. And then two, I'm looking at this historic trend that it's been in. Top of the candle pattern is 35x basically, and top of the trend is 281x. So first of all, those are crazy numbers, right? I mean, first of all, that's absolutely insane. But what's even more insane and crazier about DENT is that we're seeing a breakout in the RSI here above the trend. Simultaneously, it looks like the price action is trying to break out as well. If I could move this over, we've wicked above this line, and it looks like we're trying to break out bullish above that line. So if we break out bullish above that line and the RSI continues, the MACDs have already turned bullish here and looked like it was going to turn bearish, but it broke back bullish. DENT could start its next impulsive wave up any day now. It could lead the pack. So I know this is a crazy projection, but that's what the chart is telling me, between 35 and 281x for DENT, which is crazy. VET, a little bit saner. I'm seeing two targets here. One of them takes us up about 1,000% from here, about 10x. And then the second one takes us up about 25x. So we're talking about 10 to 25x between now and the end of the year for VET. Once again, we're seeing this triangle as assets are coming to the end of their consolidation period. If we break out bullish above the triangle, then we're heading towards these targets. But of course, if we break down bearish under the triangle and the RSI breaks down bearish, the consolidation continues. I do not anticipate it will, but it's always possible. So please keep that in mind. However, jumping over and taking a look at this Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin continues to be bullish. We are well above the 21-day EMA. We are testing this line here in the RSI. If we break above it, we've made a higher high. Yeah, we're fully above the 21-day EMA in this candle. So the weekly chart is strong for Bitcoin. The MACDs continue to be bullish, excuse me. Looking at this daily chart, what we can actually do is identify the consolidation region here between 53.9 and 55.289. So I was off just slightly with that target region. But as we can see, we are consolidating in that region. Now, if we break above this line here at 55,289, if we break out bullish above it, and then the RSI breaks out as well, Bitcoin could go parabolic, and we could see another move towards the all-time high. So yes, Bitcoin still looks strong. Of course, the monthly chart for Bitcoin looks strong. Moving on over to XRP, we are in good shape for moving towards our $20 goal for the end of the year. I think 25 in the cryptogenic portfolio. By the way, check out Patreon for the full cryptogenic portfolio. The lowest level on Patreon gets you access to the full cryptogenic portfolio with everything I hold, all of the percentages and all of the targets, as well as the list of the anticipated top performers that I just updated today. That's at www.patreon.com/cryptogenic. There's also a link to it in the description below, so check that out. And also the trading level, we're trading together on Primexbt, and the $99 level, which is the platinum level. I give you a personal once a month coaching call, as well as a portfolio analysis to help you get situated optimally for this market. But XRP is looking strong. As soon as this RSI breaks out above this triangle and the price action breaks out above this triangle, we will be on our way towards these targets between $11 and $20 by the end of the year. Looking at a shorter term time frame, I'm still concerned on the 4-hour that we're still seeing a bearish divergence in the RSI. That means we're going to have to at some point break down, even if just a little bit under this line here. But the daily chart still looks strong. On the daily, we've still got this upward momentum. However, we may need to revisit the bottom of this trend line before breaking at the top, and that might mean coming back down to test this line at 96 cents, which would actually answer the issue of bearish divergence in the RSI on the 4-hour chart. So between 98 and 96 cents, we could get a breakdown for XRP before we start heading to higher heights and deeper seas. I do have a target of $1.30 here, and I think we are well on our way to reaching it. All right, folks, that's enough for today. That's all I got for you today. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions. Do me a favor and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave me a comment to let me know if you enjoyed this content. Also, I've got so much more content on the hopper for you that I'm preparing. Those of you who made requests, I'm still getting down the list, and I'm going to get to all of them. But in the meantime, make it your aim to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day. This is Cryptogenic, signing out.